During the year, NEC procured an additional 67 containers, with which we tried to bridge the gap. Last year, we had several containers, and we still had distances which were a challenge to us. And we involved my brother Indimuli, who represents the head teachers, plus his team, and we mapped out the best way to place the container so that we bridge the gap. We are not 100%, but it is much, much better than last year. And that this year we did not have issues with regards to accessibility to containers, except in one or two places which we shall address going forward. A total of 993,718 candidates sat for the examination this year in 26,284 centers from the 31st of October to the 2nd of November. There were 176,251 contracted professionals, which, as you know, the bulk of whom were teachers and security men, but we also had special agents and other stakeholders, and not to mention other cabinet secretaries and principal secretaries, and even number one of this country was humble enough to go one morning to ensure that the children were ready to start doing the exam.